Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the funniest collections of scenes from the Big Bang Theory featuring the one and only Sheldon Cooper. If you ever wondered what happens when a genius scientist combines his love for Star Trek with everyday life, these moments provide the perfect answer. One of the funniest things about Sheldon is that he do not just enjoy Star Trek, he lives it. For him, Star Trek isn't simply a television show, it's a way of thinking, a way of solving problems, and sometimes even a way of dealing with relationships. That's exactly what makes this sense so entertaining. The clip brings with decisions about Star Trek character, especially the classic debate between Captain Kirk and Captain Picard. Most people will treat this as a casual conversation, but Sheldon approaches it like an academic examination. He has a strong opening, detailed explanation, and absolutely no entertaining of changing his mind. A major highlight comes when Sheldon receives his life-sized Mr. Spock cutout. The experiment he shows is absolutely priceless. Watching a ground man become that happy over a cardboard version of his favorite character is both funny and strangely relatable. It's one of those moments that perfectly capture Sheldon's personality. He's incredibly intelligent, yet completely unsmarted of his passion. Another memorable part of the clip focus on Sheldon and Amy relationship. Their dynamic has always been one of the strongest elements of the show. Amy constantly tries to help Sheldon understand emotions and relationships, while Sheldon often responds with logic, sense, and Star Trek references. The concentrate between them creates endless comedy. One sense that stands out involves Sheldon's collectivity transport toy. As a collector, he values keeping it in perfect coordination. However, he starts questioning whether a toy should absolutely actually be played with instead of remaining Sheldon forever. Watching him struggle with this decision is hilarious because his treats it like a major scientific. When he finally opens the toy, his experiment quickly turns into panic, creating one of the funniest moments in the episode. The clip also showcases Sheldon's unique problem-solving method. After instructing Amy, he decided to make things right in the most Sheldon way possible by giving her Star Trek device to most people. This might seem like a stranger apology gift, but in Sheldon's mind, Star Trek one of the greatest gift anyone could ever receive. That what makes his character so lovable. He genius believes he's doing the right things. Another fantastic sacrifice features Sheldon's web series Fun with Flex. This time he is joined by Will Wheaton. What should have been a simple recording season quickly turns into choose because Sheldon becomes obsessed with directing every tiny detail. He characters performance gives concentrate institution and refuse to settle of anything less than perfection. The result is a series of awkward and hilarious interesting that perfectly showcase Sheldon's perfection nature. The Comic Con adventure in another fan favorite moment. Sheldon and his friends are decided in the Star Trek costume and excited about their trip with car gets stole instead of enjoying the conversation that end up stranded. And what the sense so funny is how seriously Sheldon continue to treat everything despite the rider's situations. Ever when decided strikes his mind remain focused on Star Trek reference and logical explanations. Of course, one can forget one of the most famous contributions Sheldon has ever made to pop culture: rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock. Sheldon explained the expanded version of the game with complete confidence, making it sound effect far more complicated than it actually is. Years after the episode aired, fans still as the version of the game, proving just how memorable the moment become. The clip also includes some surprising emotional scenes. We discovered that Sheldon had planned to propose to Amy and a lady had a family engagement ring prepared, even though he incites that's perfectly fine. After their breakup is obvious that he's hiding his true feelings. These moments remind viewers that beneath all the intelligence, screamers, and awkwardness, Sheldon genius cares about the people in his life. What make the sense especially is the character development. We love the Sheldon's obviousness, but we also understand why he behaves the way he does. Since Star Trek and his friend makes him one of the most unique characters in television history, and that's why year later, these movements remain some of the most believed sense in the Big Bang Theory. If you enjoyed the review, be sure to like video, subscribe to channel, and let me know in the comments which Sheldon Cooper movements in your favorite of all time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.